friends, today we're talking about scarecrows. What does a scarecrow look like? This is a story about the silly scarecrow. He's not very scary, just kind of silly. And does anybody know who this is? This is Clifford, the big red dog, when he was a little puppy. So he's not really big right now, he's just very tiny. After breakfast one morning, Emily Elizabeth cuddled Clifford in her arms. "It's nearly time to head to Mountain View Farm, Clifford. We're going on a hayride today," she said. She was very excited. Clifford wagged his tiny red tail. When Emily Elizabeth went to get dressed, Norville called out to Clifford. "Be careful on your trip to the farm today," Norville said. "My bird friends tell me there's something scary lurking in the cornfields out there." During the trip to the country, Clifford tried to enjoy the scenery. The scenery is everything that's going on outside the window, like the trees and the grass, and even a little bit of a river and rocks. The mountains sparkled with fall colors and leaves dancing around the train. But as Clifford could think about was a monster at Mountain View Farm. It went from something silly and to scary to a monster. It wasn't long before they arrived. "Come on, Clifford, time for the hayride." There's hay bales. Bales are the squares of hay that are tucked together on a tractor. Clifford felt very nervous, but this place did not look scary at all. In fact, it looked quite fun. Look at that. There's rows and rows of crops, and there's some pumpkins and some apples. This looks like a fun place. Emily Elizabeth lifted Clifford into the back of the trailer. It was loaded with bales of hay. It felt stiff and crunchy under Clifford's paws. The trailer bustled and bumped its way across the farm. First they drove to the apple orchard. Next they stopped at the pumpkin patch. Then the farm truck made a turn. There was the headed straight towards the cornfield. The corn surrounded them on both sides, casting large shadows on the ground. Suddenly, Clifford felt tinier than he was. But a shadow is just a reflection on something on the ground from the sun. Then he saw it. Hovering over Clifford was a scary monster, waving his hands about. It was the monster of Mountain View Farm. Clifford quickly dove into the hay to hide. The Howard family looked at one another confused. "What's wrong, Clifford? What are you hiding from?" Emily Elizabeth asked. "Look at that. That's not scary at all. It's just the sun reflecting on the scarecrow. Looks like a scary shadow on the ground." A moment later, the trailer stopped. Emily Elizabeth hopped out and looked around to see what the trouble was. Suddenly, she pointed and said, "I think I know what was frightening you." She carried Clifford over to get a closer look at what was scaring him. As they approached, Clifford hid his face in Emily's chest. But Emily Elizabeth reassured him. "Don't worry, Clifford. There's nothing to be afraid of. Take a look." Clifford looked up and cracked his head in front of him with the monster of Mountain View Farms. But his monster didn't look scary anymore. My page is stuck. Sorry, friends. It was made of cloth and wore navy blue suspenders and a peaked hat. Its feet and hands were made of hay, and its nose was made of felt. So here's some straw, and here's his pants made out of clothes and a hat, and there's button eyes, and his triangle nose was made out of cloth. "See, Clifford? It's just a silly scarecrow," Emily Elizabeth explained. "They are used to scare the birds away from the corn so they don't eat it." But he doesn't look scary at all. But here comes the birds. Clifford wasn't scared anymore. He was ready to play. "I guess I shouldn't believe everything I hear," he thought. And that's true. So again, look at that. It was a silly scarecrow. Not really scary at all. Bye, friends.